Well, y'all, I got bad news. Yep, the battery's dead. I called it in the last video. I really did. Everything looks normal. Try to crank it. Dead. I'm finna do some bootleg stuff. And we're gonna see if that works. All right, so I'm gonna do some bootleg stuff real quick, see if that works. If not, I can always jump it off with the car over there. But yeah. So if you go to Nissan, ask Nissan for a battery replacement for your car, it's $300. Yep, it is $300. If you don't have a discount, the factory warranty, the basic warranty on these batteries, go up to 36,000 miles. So if you got a car now that's under 36,000 and your car's struggling, you better go up there as quick as you can before you hit 36,000. Unfortunately, I'm at 50,000 miles. So now I just gotta see if I can boost this off. So the way I'm gonna try to boost it off, either with this car, but I wanna try something. I got some old batteries sitting in the house. They're not for this car. Oh, also this is a specific kind of battery too. So it's an H5 style battery or something like that. I think it's like 600, maybe 650 cranking amps. But I think it's like a gel style battery. So we'll get more into that later on. So I'm gonna try to hook that up, see if I can get enough juice from that to boost this off before I try to use the battery juice from the Central. If not, I'm gonna go up to Harbor Freight, get one no battery boost, but I'm not worried about that right now. So let's try that. I'm gonna get these jumper cables and try that. All right, as you see, I got the cables hooked up. I'm just testing something out. See if we can get a little juice from that battery. Let's go inside. This the country rig stuff, man. Don't try this at home. Let's try it. No juice from that one. Let's try the other. Got the same setup with the other battery. See if we get a little juice out of this. Just testing out my options. Definitely nothing from that. All right, so we got it plugged up over here on the Altima, all the way over to the Central. So we got it over there. Let's go in, try to see if we can get it started, because I don't want to take all the Central juice. So if this don't work, then I'm gonna go get the, probably end up getting a new battery or this motherfucker don't even want to crank. All right, so we came over here to Harbor Freight and we picked that up. So let's go back to the house, see if we can get it started and make sure that Altima, I know the battery's dead, but I want to make sure that alternator is charging. So I got a pretty good deal out the door, $75. I got a 30 to 90 day bring back warranty on it. So they was asking me, do I want to get the 1 year plan? I was like, nah. But like I said, if it don't work, I can always take it back, get a refund, and either find something somewhere else or go up to the next level. All right, so we got it. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got inside. Oh, this mug got a little weight on it. Got a little manual book inside. Little charging cord that goes to it. Let me open up, man. I need your help. Rip it open. Yeah. You know what this is? I'll tell you one thing, hold on. There's a jumper pack. Like I said, it was 75 out the door. So everything here, doing roots. Yeah, there we go. You must charge completely before first use after every jump start and every 30 days, or it can't be returned. So yeah, we gotta charge this bad boy up. So I'm gonna read the manual and stuff and get it together. All right, y'all, we are back up under here. We got it outside now. So see if we can get this thing started up over here. Hopefully, we can get it started. Like I said, if not, we're just gonna have to get a new battery soon. Let me get these wires off here real quick. Little work light on it. So if you're out in the dark somewhere, but we got our phone, we're gonna put the negative on. All right. Do that, turn on. Thought she was fully charged, but we'll cut that red light off. Leave that work light. Let's go in here and see if we can get it started. Might have to charge it up some more, but we're about to see. All right. Perfect. Started right up. Take the jump box off. Great investment, great investment. Go ahead and take the jump box off first. We're gonna power it off. Plug our wires. Perfect investment. $64 at Harbor Freight if you want to go pick you up one. But like I said, I want to make sure this alternator. Sorry about that, the camera cut out. I do want to make sure this alternator is charging up, so I'm going to take it for a drive after it warm up a little bit. Go ahead and put this back on where it's supposed to be. And like I said, if you want one, you can go up to Harbor Freight, grab you one. You got a little neat little work light, everything on it. It's pretty bright. All right, as you can see, everything is pretty much back to normal now. My question is, I did hear a little whine coming from the alternator. Like, y'all, I really hope that it's not the alternator. I just hope that it's really just the battery. But we're gonna test drive it now and make sure that the alternator is charging. See when I get back, will it crank up or whatever. So I'm gonna drive down the road for a few, give it a little acceleration and everything. See where we at and stuff like that. Just make sure everything's functioning properly. The lights, brake lights, all that is functioning good. Nothing staying on constantly, which I thought it was, but nothing staying on. So maybe it was a glitch in the matrix. Let's hope so. Oh, I did order some new EL wire for the car, for the back seats. So what I'm gonna do is take this EL wire. I'm gonna install it the proper way. So once I get everything situated and get a little time on the weekend to do all of this, I got that installed. I do have something for the radio. Probably everybody was looking for, so y'all stay tuned for that one. But yeah, let's give it a little acceleration test. Make sure it's good. right, so we good on that part. Lights didn't fade out or anything like that. It got brighter. Looked like they got brighter like they should have. Try one more time. Yep. So far, so good. But yeah, I see y'all back at the house. I'm gonna call this a wrap. And if we crank back up once we get home, I think we should be good. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I just need this to last past Christmas. That's all. That's all. Don't want to buy a new battery right now. I'm trying to plan to do all that next year, beginning of the year. So right now, I don't need anything to actually go wrong with the car right now. So, but yep. I'll see y'all back at the house. All right, y'all, back at the house. Moment of truth. Power on the car off. Give it a few seconds. All right, I'm gonna start the car back up. All right, so it looks like it did what it's supposed to do. So I'll see y'all on the next one.